What's up, YouTube? Back with another video. I've been having this squeaky brake pedal that's been driving me absolutely bonkers. I even went over to a couple of goofball mechanics who said I had to get different rotors, different brake pads, or different brakes. Others said I had to get a brake fluid flush. Until I saw a video about Blaster and I decided to try it out. So I went over to Napa Auto Parts and got me a bottle of Blaster for $5.88. This is what it sounds like. And I put a little tiny bit of it. And this solved the problem that I had for 2 years now. Thank you for watching.